What is up, y'all? We back here at Mudneck. Before we get started, I would like to give a big shout out to Colin in marketing at Boss Audio for helping me get a hold of this soundbar from, you already know, Boss Audio. Well, to get started, let's get her opened. Oh yeah. Ah, of course. Already messed it up. Don't need that. Woo! Alright, so we got the BRT25SLR speaker. Here we go. Can't wait to put this on the Rancher. It is RGB, water resistant, and lights up. All right, let's get this open. It is marine, power sport. It's for anything. You put it on anything you want. I'll show you guys. I'll probably give you guys a video of how to install. But yes, the whole Boss Audio team was amazing. They helped me out so much. Really easy, and they're just all really nice. Do gotta say, the packaging, really nice. How they present the speaker, it's really nice. Very simple, just one bag, plug and play. Well, you do have to mount it, but there's the back mounts, and it gives you the USB to plug in the battery, so in case you don't have a power port, gives you that. And then all the screws for the mount and the remote control, which I like the best. Let's get this undone. I could only imagine what that was. It was the rest of the brackets. Ooh, what is this? Oh, tape. Okay. Get the rest of this undone. I can't wait for this speaker. I'm so excited. I've been wanting this speaker for so long. They do sure wrap this stuff up. Woo, look how clean that thing is. Look how crispy the speaker is. Woo! Love the buttons on the Boss Audios. Wonder what this is. Oh, that's cool. I know what they are, but I just don't know the name of them. USB port, nice. I will definitely be using that. And then your power port. Awesome. That's it. Then of course the manual on how to use it. Pretty self-explanatory, but in case you don't know, got a manual. And yeah, there we go. We'll get a video of it out on the bike coming up. What's up, y'all? We've moved out here. I'm going to show you how to install the speaker. So you get these mounts and you're going to move them. I'm going to put them in the very front. So you just move them wherever you want. And yeah, okay, let me see if I can get this one-handed. Turn it. Turn, then you just lay it down on there. And then you have to turn these pieces around, but I can't do this too one-handed, so I'll have to show you. Give me 1 second. All right, so y'all want to get it like that, the mount. And I know they're not big enough or small enough, so you just want to take some zip ties. You want to get your zip ties like this. I added 2 more just to stabilize it. Now this thing ain't moving at all. It's on there. 1 down here on the mount, another one on each corner, and one in the middle to keep it rocking back and forth. And I just added these beach towel things to protect my racks so it doesn't scratch. I mean, they're already destroyed, but still like to prevent anymore. But yeah, but now we're moving on to the wires. I'm going to zip tie them right about like that to make it look a little clean. Run it all the way up this way, back this way. And if you don't have an auxiliary port like I do, you can run it through whatever bike you have. You can, this rack hole, you could drill the hole a little bit bigger, run it all the way through. I know my bike looks like a spaghetti bowl, but you run it through all the way across the frame, zip tie it, make it look clean. And the auxiliary port they give you, you bolt onto the battery, negative, positive, and it just sits there. You could sit it there, put it in the battery pack, and then you plug this in and you unplug it, whatever you want. And yeah, but since I have this, I'm gonna run this up, make it look clean, and somehow organize it. But yeah, that is how you install a BRT25SLR Boss Audio speaker. Yes, thank you again for Boss Audio sending me this out. Sorry it took so long to get this video made and it installed. I just ran out of time and was being lazy too. But yes, I am actually in love with this thing. It sounds so good, looks good. I am eventually going to get black zip ties to make it look clean, but yes, it looks very good. Thank you. Okay, yeah, so this is the final product. Got it zip tied up, somewhat clean. Got the USB port connected to my four-wheel drive disc engager, and yeah, sounds pretty good. Connected my USB port so it turns on and off with the key. Love it. But yeah, thank you again, Boss Audio, and the whole Boss Audio team for hooking me up with this. I love it. I've been wanting a Boss Audio bar for so long. I just wish you guys can come out with a waterproof one very soon, because you know how I am, always snorkel deep. And yeah, but thank you again, team. I will be using this every day, getting a lot of photos with it, a lot of content, and yeah, thank you again, guys. Peace out. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Hope you guys like the speaker.